cut up 3 bicycle frame to make one. Alright, yeah? Bike almost ready, me people.
Evah slick. Evah slick. Evah slick.
Yes, my viewers, you don't know. It's all about creativity, you know what I mean? So when you have this, the go ahead and the skill, and you have two little piece of material, you have some hole this, some hole that, yeah man, you can make something. So what I say, yeah man, it's all about 3 bicycle frame cut up to make one. You know what I mean? So right now, trying to put a bicycle together, so I have some whole wheels. So I'm gonna do some work on them, get them up and running, get a bicycle to move around. You know what I mean? It's all about spreading my wings. So if I have 2 more wheels, I can do more greater job. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It's all about creativity. Saying Evah Slick Media site. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Seeing me, people, look out for part 2. This is what leave out of the 3 bicycle frame. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you don't know. Cut up 3 bicycle frame to make one. Alright, yeah? So this is the little part that leave. This is the part, the little parts that leave out of the 3 bicycle frame. Yes, my YouTube family, it's just a notification to let you know it is very easy to like and to share and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out, okay? Trying to put on a little style, you know what I mean? Trying to put on a little style, don't make it look like a ordinary bicycle, you know, you understand? Yeah. So scraps cut up a little bicycle, about 3 bicycle frame to make one. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Yeah. Need a carrier out of this piece of mesh here. I need a carrier. Make a carrier put on the back of the bicycle. Yeah, cause me as a man I always have something to carry in hand, you know. So I'm gonna make a carrier put right here over the back wheel. Alright, so I have this piece of mesh here. I'm gonna make a carrier out of it. Alright. Yeah man, this is how I cut it out. Alright, so now I'm going to cut it and bend it to make it shape like a basket. Alright? A carrier to put on the back of the bicycle. See it there? Basket almost ready. Have one side leaf to bend. Yeah. So after bend this side, have the fourth side up. Alright. You hear that crying? Yeah. Alright, my viewers. Give you a little hint of the basket now. So you go, you know, as a countryman, have to use your hand make fashion. Alright. Basket almost ready. This little side to go up a little more. This side go up a little more. Then I'm going to tack well these corner here. Tack well right around the 4 corner. And there's a basket. You know what I mean? Yeah, easy and simple. Basket ready, basket ready, basket is ready, basket is ready. Basket is ready, basket is ready, basket is ready. Easy and simple. Easy and simple, basket is ready. Basket is ready, basket is ready. You know what I mean? So when I have this on the back of the bicycle now, Yeah, like this. I can throw in my knickknacks. Yeah, I can throw in my knickknacks, you know what I mean? Yeah, for real, man. It's all about my carrier for my bicycle, alright? Carrier is ready. Carrier is ready. Carrier is ready. Yeah, carrier ready. Yeah, man. Firm. Carrier ready. Know what I mean? See it there. Carrier ready. Alright. Yeah. Bike almost ready, me people. Sight. Sight. Alright. So you don't know. It's all about creativity.